right now. But on the default horizontal format, it only goes up to 720p, which is annoying, but now there's new. The article is updated, I guess, since they rolled it out to everyone. I think I just need to put more bandwidth into it, which makes sense because I'm capped at 800. I'm capped at 8 megabytes. And the article all of a sudden says 12.5 for 1080p on both resolutions. You guys don't need to know that. I'm just saying. So I just hit my mouse. I'll have to look into that later. Anyways, not that it matters because I'm not gaming. It's a code editor. I don't think resolution really matters tonight, so that's good. Building the end hub for Autocraft. Oh, nice. Hype. Have fun with that. Share pictures. Whew. Okay, that's my spiel. I think I have that figured out though. I don't know for sure. But I'll do that later. This was mostly about getting this guy unbanned from Discord, which is pretty funny. And then this one says they can't load it on the newest version of Fabric Loader, which I think is just a they problem, because this was 0.18.1. It should actually be 0.18.4 for Java 25, which would be 26.1 and higher. So I don't think that's related. If I can do this today, if I can crank it out today, that'd be great. I also don't have Discord up today because I have a bunch of code thingies, so if I get an urgent ping from somebody, just tell me in Twitch chat, because I'm not looking at Discord, at least for now. So yeah, they said Amex was updated, so let me see. Actually, this should just be. Actually, I have no idea. Bang. I put some new songs in this playlist. Let me queue up one of the new ones. Bang. Bang. Cool. I find it funny how someone we banned. Yeah, I figured when he said it so innocently under GitHub, under like a GitHub comment. I was like, might as well look into this. And turns out, I don't even know why I deleted the ticket, unless it was like an older ticket. But I haven't deleted. We don't delete tickets anymore, so I don't know. Not sure what that was even about. But I mean, they seem chill. Seems like they just wanted to be there for the mods, so yeah. And if it was something crazy, I would have remembered the username. 26.2. MC 26.2.0 102. 102. 26.2.0. So that is. Surely that's correct. What was YCL? I did this today, I just forget. 394. 3.9.4. 26.2. So unless we run into anything else, this should just be dependency updates, which it usually is not. I don't remember this either. Honestly, I should just go to here. This is also, enhanced keybinds is not multi-loader, it's just Fabric, because keybind handling with Neoforge requires a whole different setup, and I just didn't feel like doing it. Which is valid, always. There. I can close out of this. Yeah, I wouldn't have gotten that right. Oh well. Let me look at here. Seems easy to update once you have the general mod. Yeah, exactly. Once you have it like done, unless the next major version like changes anything related to the mod, it's pretty simple. It gets a little bit more difficult when you have like 10 projects that all update on the same day. Obviously, but I'm in that position where it's not that big of a deal if I don't update right away. So that's good. No Signs UI I made sure to update relatively quickly. I got that done last night. So 3.1.0 was 26.1. We're gonna fix. Oh, this is. I'm going on such a tangent. They added this thing to GitHub where if you go to the top where your repository is at, there's a little drop down that lets you like hot swap what repository you're on. It's actually cool. I've been using this like all day. It's sick. Have a good night, Abra. Thank you. I'll see you around. W Abra. That's just gonna get. Oh, I can't even. I feel like a question mark as a reaction would make a lot of sense here, but whatever. That's with 21.11. That's not even with. Okay. Alright, so you know what? I made a mistake. Actually, no, I didn't. 3.2.0. That's why we have branches. Branches are cool. 26.2.x. 26.2. So this is all updated to 26.2. I will. Oh, perfect. Did I make a. Did I plan a docs page for. I did, okay. So, what I've been doing is going. I already have a wiki page on here. I forgot I did that. Okay. Sweet. What? Do I have to do that crazy thing with. We'll see. Question mark? Wait, what? What you talking about? Why is this weird? Oh, I don't like that. Gradle is not using 22, actually. Oh. Why is that like that? No, yeah, I figured that's what you meant. You're good. Do I... That should not be like that, so let me delete that. Hello, Codex, you can go over there. And then, bang. You're good at killing. Why is it doing that? Requires Java 25, Gradle's using 22, but I don't think it is. Oh, yes it is. No. What? Let's see. I hate this. I don't know like how to fix that when it happens. Hello Carly, welcome in. That has to take a long time. What exactly? Updating? $26. No. $25. Alright, do the thing. Why does this happen? Maybe I can go. Maybe it's like here. Hold on. Let me try to remember. Users, Kool-Aid, Gradle, caches, I believe. And then I think I just delete all of these. No, it's Fabric Loom. Wait, no. Make it compatible with Gradle 10. I'm using Gradle 9.5. Alright, close out of that. Reopen? Maybe? Nope. Whoa. Wait. Oh, it's because I'm doing that and then that. There we go. Alright. Maybe it doesn't have to do with that. Hold on, I'm looking this up. What exactly I'm doing wrong, because usually that would be something to do with up here. Like if you go to project structure, the SDK is 25. It's Java 25, which is what the new Minecraft versions use now, but it's saying I'm using 22 and I'm just not, which happens. Oh wait. Yeah, no, I don't know. Yeah, like I don't know what is going on. Oh. Question? Is it that easy? It's because my Gradle is not updated to 26.1. It's just wait, hold on. Okay. Copying that down. Switching to that. Oh crap. I don't want to do this. Alright, so this is the correct build. And coming back to here, we just paste this in for 26.2. Yeah. Alright, now, I don't know why I haven't updated my master to the most current version. I don't know why I don't do that. Well, I do know, but I should not be doing it this way. Alright, that's 26.2. That's good. This should actually build now. This should be 9.5.0. There it is. Now it's downloading everything. Okay. Cool. Now surely we are chillin'. It's taking its time, it's fine. Alright, there we go. Oh. Surely. It looks good, it looks fine. Actually, I don't know why this is telling me to build it again. Probably because I updated the Gradle version. Please? Oh, it's done. So, no. Yeah, there we go. Alright, this needs, oh. It's indexing everything, excuse me. This all needs to get updated. Key mapping helper. Actually, that's fine. And then remove that. That's not a parameter anymore or whatever. Key mapping helper. Register key mapping. Alright. Good. Why is this not? Actually, delete that. Downloads. Mod menu. It's a lot easier when you have a bunch of other mods that do similar stuff, because I've memorized what I have to replace and whatnot. Why is this not? Is it because... Oh, okay. Cool. We're just switching this up with that. Right? Yeah, alright. That's fine. Whew. Oh, crap. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, what the hell? Oh, no. Alright, I gotta do that a lot more times. How do I... How do I select everything of the same type? Oh, it's just that. Okay. Alright, watch this. Bang. Cool. Key mapping. So, everything key binding related in the code has been changed to from key binding to key mapping. So, thank you, Mojang, for requiring me to change that. Also, the action bar message logic does not require a true and false parameter anymore, which makes sense because why would you include it? I don't know why it's a parameter if it's, you know, I don't know the word for it, but you should never code it in and then have it disabled. So I'm assuming that's why they got rid of that. Also, ads are playing. Nerds. I love how it doesn't tell me the other, unless it was just that. Yeah, no, it's everywhere. Okay. Key mapping. Register. Oh, crap. Helper. Register key mapping. Okay. This is all 1.21.11 stuff. Graphics extractor. Render. Extract render state. Yeah, that's it. Whoops. Oh, was that it? Please tell me that was it. It's yay. Ooh. Get hyped. Alright. Whoa, this is weird. I was testing some of the mods earlier, so I have in fact played this version officially. I was actually looking at the sulfur bricks. These look sick. But it works. So this is all good. I could test every single individual keybind to make sure it functions properly, but I mean, show key conflicts. Okay. Now I need to fix the bug that involves controlling so bang and then searchables bang run mods searchables and controlling. Alright, so I could probably reproduce this relatively easily. It seems like it's just... Okay, or not. just doesn't seem to... I am everywhere, yes. Yes, I can see that. Nothing wrong with that. Just like, damn. Toggle auto jump. Let's see. Oh wait, no, that worked. Why am I saying, why was that not... Oh wow, I'm just crazy. I might have just forgotten how my own mod worked. No, that works perfectly fine. Okay, so controlling, if you don't want to use Kool-Aid's more search bars, you can use controlling, which also handles the multi-key functionality. Cool, and then this still works, hopefully. If I... Actually, technically more search bars is for searching is better, because it also searches for the key. It does not only search for the key bind. Like, see this left shift here for sneak? If I was using more search bars, my other mod, if you search up left, it would show up here. It does not only search for this. So technically, my searching is better, depending on what you're looking for. Zopa is also everywhere. Yeah, but he's like lurking everywhere. I see you chatting. You're chatting everywhere. Okay, so it seems like this issue is just 1.21.11 related, which is cool. True, I yap everywhere. And that's okay. Yappers are welcome, man. Trust. What's up, Alex? Welcome into YouTube chat. Alright, so this is 26.2 ready, pretty much. This doesn't need to be updated at all. Sweet. Now before I do that, I'm gonna switch back to 1.21.11. Oh wait, did I just... Oh no, we're good. Okay. 1.21.11. Go in here. Did I never... Oh wait, I'm just stupid. This is the newer mappings, so I want to go back to the older stuff. Really, I can't... Thought it would let me you know. Okay. Distracts me, it lets me be a nerd, nothing wrong with it. Plus a September time frame, I get to yap about combat robots again. Nice. Now I like yapping about tech stuff with you, so. Yes, yes. Okay. Did that... No, this is still importing. So there's a chance I get 10 errors again. Basically, my big issues, the thing that took like 20 minutes for me to debug was my own problems not keeping Git updated, which has nothing to do with my coding abilities. It's just my knowledge of Git, which is whatever. I don't even know if Git is something they teach in school. They might just... I mean, if they do, it won't be for a few years or a few semesters, but like... I feel like, if anything, they would teach version control in general, but Git is like a type of version control, so but it's like the only version control that I've ever heard of. I looked up a bunch of them, but I just no idea what those are about. Like, why are these all? That was weird. Alright, so I need 1.21.11 version of mod menu, of controlling, and of searchables. Alright. Especially the PC hardware stuff, because I might be doing that for a living. Yeah, that's awesome, man. Banger song? Yes, this is the 2POW song. Yes, yes. OGs remember the 2POW song. What was I just doing? Downgrading these, I guess. Yes. 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 Alright, so now I'm curious. If I check out back to master, this doesn't get synced or anything, right? Whoa, why are they synced? I hate that. I'm so confused. I don't know what that was. Sent progress on the end hub section I'm working on when you have the time. Okay. Sounds good. Since I'll be updating, technically I'll be updating 1.21.11, 26.1, and 26.2. I'll mark those all as versions 3.2. Surely, that makes sense. 1.21.11, 26. 1.x, 26.2.x. Okay. And then this is all good. Is it? Wait, how did I do it here? I just want to keep these all the same. Okay, I actually just did not update this. Yo, Ollie, welcome in, or is it Zolly? Ollie. Welcome in, Ollie. Hello. For any, no. Cool. That's how it should be. I want this to be on the bottom of every readme. So that's updated. Cool. This is good. Always has been. Right? Yeah. Okay. Why is this not? Oh, bruh. What did I do? How does that even work? Why are both of these branches got updated at the same time? Oh, I see. Okay. Alright, Achillean. You're good. What is that? 12 monkeys. Controlling. It's 'cause of the Gradle again, isn't it? No? Question mark? That's usually... Oh, wait, what? Fabric version... Fabric loader... Oh. Wait, no, that's all right. Damn, okay. 0.18.2 it is. Let's see if that was it. Alright. Let's see here. 1.21.11. I have not changed any controlling compatibility stuff, so... Yep, okay, that happens. As the report says it does. I can still search fine. And I can see show unbound. That's not right. Conflicts works fine. Not sure why show unbound is showing me this one. Yeah, this is jank. Three point 2.0, 1.21.11. That is okay. So I'm kind of sticking to this pattern. I'm sticking to the idea that I'll support the 3 latest Minecraft versions, regardless of like how popular they are. So right now, I'd be dropping 21.9 to 21.10 and then sticking with 21.11, 26.1 and 26.2. So I'm going to stick to that idea. Okay. And this is an issue with controlling. Updated it to... Actually, we're going to name this update to 26.2. Fixed. Update to version 1.3. No, 1.2.0. Oh, you got the ice cream? Hell yeah. Update to 26.2.x. Update to 26.2.x. Fixed a bug with controlling for version for 1.21.11. Fixed a bug with controlling. Thank you, Fletcher. Read me. Updated read me. Cool. I'm gonna save this for... Wait, how do I want to do this? There we go. Alright. Fixed bug with controlling. Yippee. 0.19.2 doesn't work with... Okay, so that's just unrelated. Bang. What flavor ice cream is it, by the way, Killian? Don't mind me asking. Selected data packs. I don't... I have 0 data packs in here. Vanilla with chocolate syrup. Okay. It's valid. Errors in currently selected data packs. Oh, okay. Apparently I have... Lovely. Alright. Making a new one. Oh yeah, it fixed our issue there. So a limitation with this is conflicts like that will still wait. Oh, I can't search keys with controlling. I'm used to my search bars mod, which lets you do that. So Control A does show up in conflicts because it treats Control A as just regular A, as I understand it. So yeah, it doesn't show up as a conflict with the little yellow, but luckily it does in the search, so that's good. And then unbound is correct. Sort A to Z seems to work fine. That's fine. Yay. Normally I have mint. Oh, really? Like mint chocolate chip? Wait, is plain old mint like a thing? Like is that a common thing over mint chocolate chip? I know mint chocolate chip is like normal. Mint chocolate. Okay, cool. Just making sure. Auto jump. Whoa, that was probably because I haven't turned around yet. Alright, so the logic still works. It was just the controlling compatibility with the keybind screen. I just say mint for short? Yeah. You're good. Cool. Can click everywhere. Cool. Alright, W. Now, just because I can, I'm going to test this with my more search bars mod, which I have not updated yet, but luckily I can update to 21.11, or I'm on 21.11. So run mods, boot these two. Actually, no, let me try. If I get more search bars with controlling, what happens? I believe controlling takes priority. I think I've done this before. I believe the controlling screen overrides the more search bars screen, which honestly, I'm fine with that, I guess. As long as it's not broken. Oh, wait, I lied. Wait, the more search bars does... Sorry, I don't know what the screen was doing there. But, more search bars does take priority over controlling. That's pretty funny, actually. See, if I search left using my mod, it searches the name of the keybind, but also the key itself. That's like the thing I like that my mod does that controlling doesn't, which is pretty cool. Other than that, it's pretty similar. Like, I have the same buttons down here. And then key conflicts as well. Same idea as controlling. And then reset all keys has a little confirmation button. It's pretty cool. Flashbang! Hold on, I got you. I'll read it in a sec. I didn't even... W. It still works with more search bars and all that. I don't even know what button that was. Why do I keep doing that? Nice. Alright, sweet. So that is ready to update. Yeah. Is there a possible way to have a mod that moves all the library keybinds, like for example the keybinds of Litematica or Tweakaroo, and move every single keybind to a single menu, even different libraries like Malilib and UKlib? No. And the reason for that is um the Malilib keybinds, the system behind it is written from scratch. So I would have to, I mean maybe, but you're basically taking two totally different keybind systems and trying to put it all into one screen. So having it in one screen, it would have to be a keybind system of its own. So I don't know how it would grab the vanilla keybind code or the vanilla keybind handling and then the Malilib keybind handling and merge it into one screen. Unless it uses different keybind handling depending on which mod it is, but I don't know. That's a good question. It's just like how they're coded. Yeah, so all the Malilib type keybinds with MiniHUD and Tweakaroo, Litematica, all that, those are built from the ground up. So technically like the code behind it looks nothing like, you know, the vanilla like walk forward W button. Like for example, I'll show you the enhanced keybinds. You know how with enhanced keybinds it lets you bind like a modifier key, which you can't do in vanilla. So even though it's hooked into the vanilla keybind screen, but it totally changes how the keybinds are handled. It's just in the same screen. So I actually have no idea how much, like how different Malilib keybinds would be. Enhanced keybinds uses the Amex implementation. Amex just wires into the vanilla keybinds to allow for multiple inputs. Malilib builds it from the ground up. So it doesn't have to worry about wiring into the vanilla keybinds. It does it all from scratch, which is a lot more code. And then combining those two, I don't know how. I don't know how you do it. It's a good idea though. It's a good question. But yeah, I don't know. It would have to detect the mods that are installed. Are you saying like getting Malilib keybinds on this screen, Achillean? Or do you mean a whole different screen that has both? Are you saying like leave the vanilla keybind screen untouched and then just add a mod, like a screen that a mod adds that has both? I mean, maybe. You assign a keybind, then it moves the keybind from the menu into the respective mod. Oh, wait. You assign a keybind, then it moves the keybind from the menu into the respective mod. Just so it's more organized. Oh. Isn't that what the categories are though? I thought you were talking about something else, I'm not gonna lie. Oh wait, I guess. Sorry, my screen gets really weird. Isn't that what the categories do? Categories, and each one is hooked up to a certain mod's keybind tab. Oh, so instead of it being a giant scroll bar, it's like a bunch of tabs, for example, like up here. And this would be like Minecraft, and then instead of enhanced keybinds being all at the bottom here, you would have enhanced keybinds like up here, and then you click on it, and then it's just these. Is that what you mean? Is that instead of the category titles here? Yeah, that'd be cool. That'd be cool, actually. That'd be very cool. That is a good idea. I'm sorry it took me so long to realize what you were saying. I had a totally different thought in mind. What's up, Zach? Welcome in. Um, I mean, yeah, it's kind of similar to it's kind of similar to the idea of like searching already, right? Like if I'm sorry, I keep doing that. I can't full screen it or else it will be all weird and stuff. So, I mean, half of the idea is already a thing with searching. Except that controlling searching sucks compared to mine. I keep forgetting about that. Hold on. Let me get rid of controlling and searchables. Wait, but that time it... Hold on a second. Basically, I was also just thinking it would work across all the technical mods. Hold on, am I crazy? Oh my god, it's random. It picks and chooses which mod to install, like which mod to show. Oh, that's weird. Okay, so more search bars, which is my mod, and then controlling, which is another search bar mod. It basically does the same thing. It adds a search bar to the keybind screen, so you could search keys, but they do it kind of differently. In my opinion, my more search bars mod is better at searching, but I'll get into that. I was so confused. So I loaded the game up, and this is my more search bars mod. This is my mod. But if I reload it, since I have both mods installed, it like randomly decides which mod to hook, and I guess whatever one initializes first is what the keybind screen picks. See, now I'm going crazy. Okay, so that was mine. That was my mod again. Yeah, I think it would have to be like an API kind of thing, where other mods would use my mod that allows you to add that keybind tab. And then this time it uses controlling, which has different buttons down here, and the search bar is different. Oh, that's so confusing. That's so funny. So it doesn't break anything. It's just like, ooh, yeah, that's pretty funny. All right, so I mean technically they're incompatible, but that's kind of funny. Well, I mean, you wouldn't really be using both mods anyway, because they both do the same thing, except my mod does more. It adds other search bars, but my more search bars is better because it searches the key as well. It doesn't just search the name. It searches the specific key if you're looking for that. Hell yeah. I like that. I think that's a cool idea though, Killian. Yeah. It would have to be, I think I'd have to make, or whoever makes it would have to make an API, and then other mod makers would have to use that API just to add a tab. But again, I mean, part of what I originally thought you were saying still applies because, again, the Malilib keybinds is built from scratch. So it would have to do something crazy. But again, it would actually be easier if I made it an API that other mod makers would have to use for it to show up. But like there's no reason for Malilib to do that because they have their own screen that you'd have to go to anyway. I think it would be really cool if that was a thing with any keybind that's added to vanilla though. Like I didn't create a custom keybind screen for enhanced keybinds, I just threw it at the bottom of the vanilla keybind screen. The only thing I changed with the keybind screen itself was how key inputs are handled, like that. But that could be cool if I made it so enhanced keybinds would also add tabs up here, and then you could search with the tabs. But yeah, it's a good idea though. It's a good thought. If you don't know specifically like a name, yeah, that's why it would probably be like an API kind of thing. So other mods would have to hook into my mod that creates the whole thing, but then they would have to use it instead of my mod. Like, I wouldn't be able to detect any mod that has a keybind. I don't think so. All right, enough of that brainstorming. That was fun. W idea. All right, 3.2.0 21.11 is ready to ship, I believe. I'm gonna commit and not push. That's fine. I think that's always like that. So that's committed, and now we go to version 3. .11. Bro, what is this? Readme would beware. Oh, it's because it wasn't pushed yet. That's right. So let me go back to here, check out there. That's all committed. So we'll come to here, copy that, go back to here, bang. Okay. That's updated. That doesn't need to be updated. That's correct. 3.2.0. I don't think this needs to be changed for the most part because okay, no. Let me get controlling and searchables for 1.21 or 26.1. Mods and then searchables. So I guess because I remember testing this, whatchamacallit, when I updated to 26.1, and the new implementation, it did work on 26.1 with controlling. I must have just missed it with 21.11, because I remember this working when I tested it. So I must have just missed 26.11. So let's go back here. Hello? Zero 0.18.6 or later of mod fabric loader. All right. What? Oh, so this is just really annoying with dependencies and stuff. Okay. So yeah, okay, so that's just these other mods that are requiring it to be the most recent version for that mod. That's annoying. Um yeah, it works fine. Alright, whatever. So close out of that. Bang bang. Dependency issues are up to the user, but this is the minimum that my mod's compatible with. Is it Miles? Welcome in. Welcome into YouTube chat. Yeah, I believe that was all I needed to do. I just update the README and stuff. Version README changes and version bump to version 1. Oh no 3.2.0 and bump README changes and bump to version 3.2.0. I should probably be building these as I'm doing them, so let me do that. My mods. Let me do version 3.2.0. Yeah, let me do that because I'm supporting 3 versions here. I don't want to go crazy with this folder. And build. Oh wait, but I'm not on NeoForge. Yeah, I don't need a whole other folder. I'm not on NeoForge. We're chilling. We're chilling. Well, I mean, the YouTube streams are kind of tailored to the vertical format, so I mean, if you're watching on PC, I understand. If you're on PC, you can come over to the Twitch stream where it's the proper horizontal format. You're able to see the code better, probably. But yeah, currently the YouTube streams are vertical with like the actual stream in the middle, which I get is hard to see if I'm coding, but usually I'm playing Minecraft where it's easier to view, but yeah. I just suggest coming over to the Twitch. Twitch side is nerdier. Yeah. Hopefully that makes sense though. No. Aha. 3.2.0, 26.1. Twenty 3.2.0, 21.11. Perfect. Alright, sweet. And now master should be 26.2.0. 1 point. Nope, I lied. What? Sausage. Alright, let me go back to Let me go back to here. Gotta update all that. Copy. Go back to master. I think I need to change all the packages again, which is like the first thing I did this stream, and then I goofed it up somehow. 3.2.0 for 26.2.x. We're on version 26.2. Loader version 0.18.4 for Java version 25. 20.0.0 beta dot 2. I want it. Yeah. 3.8.4. It's really bad that I've memorized these numbers from how much I've been doing this today. This is 26.2, 1.0.2. Damn, yeah, that's it. I remember I'm remembering the freaking Maven, the Maven versions for Amex, YACL mod menu, and oh no, I haven't done Fabric API. Can I remember Fabric API at this point? I want to say it's 152.1, but that I have no idea. Am I right? Oh no, it's 152.2. That's so annoying. 152.2, 26.2.0. I tried. Alright, and then my idea here is on this commit is where we do version 1.2.0, and then we have all the changes from previous versions, you know? Surely. Get got. Which update is 26.2? Sulfur, Cinnabar, Sulfur Cube, Sulfur Caves. Hello, Pug. Oh, it's this thing again. Hell yeah. That's full release. It came out on Tuesday. That's why we're updating. Yeah. Yeah, I thought it came out Friday. I was still at school when it came out. I was like freaking out. I was like, oh god. I didn't get the sign mod updated till last night. Don't have Twitch? Oh, that's alright. That's alright. Today is not Wednesday. Oh, yeah, it's Thursday. SMP update? That will come soon. Yeah. I wanted to wait for like a feature packed drop before updating the server, obviously. Or not obviously, but if that makes sense. If I switch to this branch, oh yeah, it's gonna do that. Alright, so let me go to this and then this. I'll copy it from GitHub because I don't feel like doing all that again. I just bang. And download. It's gonna show a bunch of links. It's gonna download all the packages. It's not gonna break. Okay, that's a lot. Wow. Wow. Could not find. Wow, I was boasting about how I memorized all of these dependency numbers, and it seems like none of these were the right ones. 3.9.4? Oh. 3.9.4. Last time going on to here. Oh, it's 26.2.0. My fault. And now, download the packages. Nope. Okay. All right. Oh. Why did I leave this 0 here? I just looked at it. And third time's the charm. Oh, wait. It's done. I was waiting for like a bunch of links to pop up that they were downloading. And then I realized it probably already has the packages installed from the last time I was doing this. Yay! Get hyped. So now we get on this. It's all gonna work out. And what? Oh. Because the master branch is stuck on 1.21.11. Key mapping. Helper. Register key mapping. Overlay. Delete that. Sweet. Bang. And then there's the whole page of these, yep. I gotta learn Git so that I don't make these mistakes again. Because I'm just doing this twice now. Key mapping. Helper. Whew, are we done here? We're nope. Key mapping helper. Register key mapping. Done with that. Alright, this is the last one. What was this again? Extract render state? Okay. And now we're good. And now it's gonna load. It's gonna, yes. Let's go. So excited. It's this stuff, Pug. And I thought they were like getting rid of this for now. It's still here, huh? It's just useless. I can't use it in a dev environment. It gives me that, but actually, let's try, just to be extra safe, because I don't want to get another bug report for this, I'm gonna add controlling, if that's even updated 26.2, which it is. Controlling 26.2, searchables 26.2, and run that. Hi, Purple Squirrel. Play Bed Wars. I mean, I'm busy here. I'm updating this mod across 3 versions of the game. For a little controlling bug. Yay! Yay! Hey, we did not plan this out. I think Mondays are the Kool-Aid speedrunning streams, so you better be free Monday. Or else. Alright, this works. W. That's pretty much it. That's all I had to do. And now, with Git Magic, we can do this. Alright, you ready? Let me commit and push all of this stuff. And then we go to the GitHub, because this is where we'll see it. All of these commits from the 26.1 branch, the 1.21.11 branch, they've been committed, but they're just sitting there, right? So we're going to commit this one and push this branch. We're going to do that now. And then all those commits are going to get pushed at the same time. Should see 3. I don't see them. What's going on? Oh. Yikes. Give me a second here. And push. And only one got pushed. Why did only one get pushed? How to push commits from multiple branches. Push specific branches by name, then individually push all your local branches at once using a single command. Oh, alright. Watch this. Git push origin. Version 3. MC 21.21.11, version 3, MC 26.1.x, master. Hey, they didn't get combined into one embed, but that's fine. Probably because they're all different branches. I should have realized that. Cool. See? All right, and that's how you get. That's how you get. We got 26.2, 1.21.11, 26.1. Head over to GitHub. Yeah. Head over to GitHub. Bang. It's all here. Actually, this is the master branch, so this would be 26.2. Sweet. Nice. Alright, this is good. This is good stuff. Now we go over to branches. Let's make a new branch based off of master, which is our 26.2 update, and then rename this to version 3 MC 26.2.x. Create the branch. Sweet. Now we go back to our master branch. So our master and our 26.2 should be synced. This branch is up to date. Oh! It's like I'm starting to know what I'm doing with this, dude. This is great. Alright. So, GitHub is all updated. We have 21.11, 26.1, 26.2. Come back to here. Come back to here. Forgot I have to build these as well. Come to builds 3.2.0 for 26.2. Come over here and bang. I'm so happy. This was like a big update. Not big, but I had to fix controlling and update to 26.2. Okay. So now, before I forget, I'm gonna come over to here. We are going to this issue. Let me find exactly where this would be. Fixed in version 3.2.0. Yay! Crash with controlling. Incompatible. How do you spell this? Incompatibility with controlling. Saved. Good first issue bug. Sick. Just making sure that was properly marked. And it's closed. Do I have to revisit this at all? Oh, this was... Yeah, this is not implementation thing. This is gonna be so that's for things like I mean, pop off. Okay, let's get these going. I have to do this on CurseForge as well. Sweet. It's been almost 2 hours already, dude. Alright, 21.11. Actually, let me get that commit back. Oh, I'm sorry, Pugathy. I feel you, dude. Like, I can't exactly tell you, but I'm pretty sure that happened to me where I just, like, could not be on it for a solid bit, and I was like, what am I gonna do? It's okay, though, don't worry. I can, like, touch grass in the meantime. Although it is 9:30. Oh, no. Wait, this is version 3.2.0. Yikes. Can I like, I cannot change that. Did I make that mistake anywhere else? Oh, okay, Pug. Wait. Bump to 3.2.0. And then that I just didn't include. Okay, so I only made the mistake on the most recent version, which is whatever. Oh, it's so confusing. The most recent commit is... I could pull and then repush just to change that number, but like, I don't have to. I don't have to. It's fine, I'll just remember to do that for the next one. Enhanced keybinds version 3.2.0 for Fabric 1.21.11. Done. Nice. Alright. 26.1. Let's go all that. Bang, bang, bang. Version 3.2.0 for Fabric 26.1.x. Done. Sometime in the future, I'll have like an automated workflow to do all this for me, which is a thing, and I've seen other people do it, and it looks really cool. They like automatically publish everything to Modrinth very quickly. I think I'm just done releasing stuff on GitHub, by the way, because I don't... There's probably a statistic, but I doubt anybody downloads mod jar files from a GitHub repository, especially when the Modrinth is like linked everywhere, and that's where I usually point to, so it's just not worth the extra time to do that. Sweet. 3.2.0, 21.11, 26.1, 26.2. It's a good like what, 6 months worth of support. I feel like that's fair. Goes far back enough. Glad. Alright. Past hour and a half, worth it. Cause we donezo. Actually, I have to do I have to do this now. Dang it. Actually, I think I have to do this differently. Oh, it's so annoying. Okay, and that and below goes there. So that. Is that good? That looks alright. Right, sweet. Bedwars break. I have to get this all up on CurseForge now. Add file. Version 3.0.2 for Fabric 1.21.11. This is 1.21.11. Let me copy paste this. Sweet, sweet. Actually, should I? Oh, nice. It's just. Oh, cool. Required. And Amex. Embedded. Oh wait, I should probably do that here. I don't know why I haven't done this before yet. Yet another config lib required Amex embedded. Okay, save that. Come back to here and refresh, so they should be all here. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Oh, switch that to a 3. What kind of mods have you made? I can go back to it in a second. I can go back to, yeah, just give me a second. I'm just doing this change log real quick. Welcome in though, call sign. Why did that just happen? Good, 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 good. Alright. Alright, so I have a few mods. No sign GUI is the biggest one. This lets you turn off the GUI with signs. So like instead of this popping up every time, you could just disable it. Useful if you're like placing down a lot of signs. Enhanced keybinds does a lot. It adds modifier keys, so you can do like key combos with your keybinds instead of just one key. That's useful for if you have a lot of mods that add a lot of keybinds. Toggle beacon beams lets you press a button to turn beacon beams off. Disenchant curses, more search bars. This adds search bars to the server screen, the keybind screen, the stats screen. That's like the last one. That's the last mod I need to update still. Wandering Trades Manager is my favorite, probably. It lets you look at your Wandering Trader pack. Whew, that's about it. Village and Pillage Tweaks is just a bunch of random stuff I like to use in my hardcore world. Yeah. I feel like if I market this mod as just like my own mod, like mod that isn't really meant for the public, even though I share it with the public, I don't really know. It's kind of just a bunch of random stuff regarding the village build in my world that I just like. And I guess other people might find it useful. I don't know. But yeah, that's the stuff I do. All right, moving on. Haven't done Bed Wars in a while. I played one time last week. I wasn't too bad. I got a 3-game win streak before I lost, so I mean it's aight. Carried Aiden Bed Wars the other day. Carried to the void. True, true. If you guys aren't in the Discord yet, you should totally join that. You should join the Discord. Yeah, it's fun. Oh, Achillean, not to like self promo my Discord, but if you want to share those pics in the Discord, you can. Or DMs. I can't exactly see my Discord right now, so I'm not sure which one you put that in, but yeah. 26.2.x. I've been cooking on my SMP build. Have you really? Look at you. Sharing the server when the section is done. Oh, perfect. Okay. Sounds good. All right. I'll look in DMs after stream. So I know I know like the people that that usually watch hardcore on whatchamacallit. Um Most people that watch on vertical on like the shorts format, they say they like having it full screen, smaller in the middle. But then we've also had YouTube chat that's like, can you make it bigger? So I don't know if that's just because I'm coding and it was small in the first place or what, but yeah. I don't know. Sweet. Good cheer. Actually, most of these, I don't think. These have to get like approved, so I can't even see them. Yeah, version 3.2 is not there yet. Oof. I'm still glad I got all those done. Let's see what we still have to do here. It's just search bars and Wandering Trades Manager, and I want to work on optical again one day, but that's kind of pushed optical off to the side. Oh, I didn't update this either. Wait, let me do that real quick. I did this. I might have done this last night too, actually. Yeah, so these can be. Oh, I did do this already. What the heck? When did I do this? I don't even. Did I do this last night? Alright then. I do not remember updating this. I didn't even. Maybe I did already do this. Oh, it just doesn't show up as updated here. Because I didn't add any new versions. Okay, so I'm just tripping. Cool. Now, do I do more search bars tonight? Because I totally could. I might as well. I'd be really happy, especially because I'll be busy like all day tomorrow. I'll be so busy Saturday. Yeah. Friday and Saturday I'm out. Actually no, Saturday I'll be home until like 4 p.m. So I could stream if I wanted to, but we'll see. Alright, more search bars time. Let's go. Let's just do this all now. Wandering Trades Manager is gonna take a little bit longer since I have to fix something and add a bunch of more stuff, so that might be like a next week kind of thing. So, but after that update and after the bump to 26.2, I'm not gonna. I don't think I'll have, unless like bug fixes and stuff. I'm not gonna have anything to add to that, which is like kind of funny because I just made it. Unless they, until they totally revamp the Wandering Trades data pack from Vanilla Tweaks' end, which is inevitable, but yeah. Oh, I missed it. All right, let's see here. Versions 1.21.9 to 1.21.11, 26.1. All right. .x, 26.2.x. Yes. Sick. And then, actually don't need that anymore. And then, how do I do it here? Did I just do... Oh, okay, so... Oh, I do have support for all those. Well, damn. Well, as long as this doesn't require me to change anything, I should be good to just update it. Alright, 26.2.x, 26.2, let's see if I remember it. 0.152.2, 26.2. That looks right. 26.2.0.3. Mod menu version is 20. That's fine. Alright, let's see. 26.2. That is updated too. That's all good. Am I gonna get this right first try? I might have. Oh, sick. So, bang? Question mark? Oh no, I have to do set screen and show. Yes. Uh-oh. Was public. Can we just do that? Did I not make a branch for 26.1 though? Oh, I did. Oh, alright. We're fine. So where is 26.1 on here? And why is Claude here? When was I doing this? Can I just delete that? Oh, cool. Actually, yeah, let's do that. That's cool. Automatic fetching. So where is my 26.1 branch? The world may never know. But anyways. Anything else I need to do? Looks like we're good there. Never mind. Alright. Mix in, mix in, mix in, mix in, mix in. Mix in, mix in, mix in, mix in. Alright, hold up. Let's see what this was about. Mix in transformation shot not locating the target class. Alright, Codex, we need you. Shoop. Alright, so why is this happening? Attempting to assign weaker access privileges was public. Can't do that either. Can't do that either. Alright, so that's just not... Huh. Alright, never mind. Just going down a rabbit hole. I hope it's not this. I have to change, and I don't think unless this package is different. Actually, it might be, because this is what I... No, because it didn't change up here. Shadowfield screen was not located in the target class. Net Minecraft client Minecraft no ref map. Mod Shadowfield screen is not located. What is this? What is this? What is this? Boom. 45% done. Nice. Nice, dude. Bam, bam, bam. contains rough map. Please remove it so it works in a dev environment. 391,000 blocks? Jesus. Well, damn. I would try to see the progress of the whole build, but it's too large for my Litematica. Really? It's insane, dude. Yeah, I think I've talked about it on stream before, like me using Litematica, because I feel like I'd like to use it more. But like, yeah, for certain things. Like I like to use it for farms and stuff, but I would never dedicate time to like making a build in creative, putting it into a schematic, and then just copying it in hardcore. I don't know. Boom, boom. 1K by 230 by 1K. Wait. Oh, that's XYZ. Damn. 3.67 blocks. Million blocks, right. Oh. Wait. A? Oh, wait. Why does this look wrong? Oh, it's because enhanced keybinds is that I'm so used to using enhanced keybinds with the search bar mod. Good song. Hell yeah, nice. It's working. This I don't even need to. Don't even need to change that. Update to 26.2.x. Nope, I don't want this. Was this, or is it? I don't have. Right, I don't have mixins there. Okay. Left Red 2 stream when? Yeah, I was playing with friends the other day. Would I play it on stream? Probably not. But I play it with friends. What is the diff here? There's no diff. Hello? What? Was this, what was it, 17 before? Wait. Oh, that was Java 25 before. Alright, so I'm just crazy. Readme, wait. Version bump dependency updates and readme changes.
Hi, how are
So
you?
now targets. Yo, Minuteman, thank you for the follow. Mixin now targets. This is like the pretty much all I needed to change. It has to like shadow screen. Whoops. So it's minecraft.getInstance GUI.screen. That's way more confusing than it was before. I don't like that. Package changes from set screen to set screen end show. Okay, I think we're good with that. Bang. Cool. I actually didn't run this. That's an issue. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Is this supposed to have another thing? No. Okay. So that's fine. That's chill. This loads. And it works. Okay. Bang. And build. And... Oh. Or search bars. Version 1.0. Cool. Version 1.0 for 26.1.2. Why is it not there? There it is. 26.1.2. Copy that for Modrinth. Neoforge 26.2. Bang, bang, bang. Version 4 Neoforge 26.2.x. Alright. Neoforge and Fabric. Version that for Fabric 26.2.x. And done. Alright. That's that. Let me copy the README as well, which I can also automate. I just need to get that set up in my Gradle as well. Cool. Fun. Oh, okay. I think that's it. I think I'm done for tonight. I have everything updated except for Wandering Trades Manager and Optical, which I need to work on. Hell yeah, Fletcher. Yesterday, an hour ago, just now, 8 hours ago, 8 hours ago, 6 hours ago, technically last night. Sweet. Alright, I'm all modded out right now. I'm done. Actually, do I need to make... Yeah, let me make a branch real quick for this. Whoops. Let me make 26.2.x for that. Oh, nice. Alright, we're done here. Been live for, what, 2.5 hours? A little bit of a shorter stream. I am tired, though. So, I will see you guys either Saturday morning or Saturday afternoon or Sunday night. One of those two. Hopefully. More likely Saturday. More likely Sunday than Saturday. But I will let you guys know. I pinged you guys in the Discord for microblock head suggestions for the next trader pack, and I have gotten 0 new heads. So if we end up getting no heads, I'm just not going to make a new pack until we do, but I'd like to make a new one, so yeah, get that in there. Thanks, Fletcher. Thanks for lurking all day, man. We're gonna raid Trinity again. It's gonna be like a raid and run kind of thing. But thank you guys. Also, if any of you guys use GitHub, you can follow people on GitHub. Shout out Zach for being the true follower. Make sure to copy paste the raid message. And I'm like forgetting how to raid people out here. Making me double parked? Yeah. Yes, I am. Think I'm a little late. What's up, Path? What's up, nerd? I just spent the entire stream updating like all my mods to the new Minecraft update, so that's hype. Why is my chat at the top of screen now? Did I start stream with the chat up there? Wow, I'm tripping. It's always been there, hasn't it? I'm crazy. Alright, sorry. Hey, Link was talking about this song like 3 hours ago. Nerdy's raid on Twitch. Let's not do that. Shoop. Alright. I'll see you guys over the weekend. Thanks, nerds. Thank you, YouTube chat.